Good morning, dear students. Today I will teach you a new lesson, lesson Imaging Birds. Okay, like animals, some birds are also in danger of getting extinct. Yes, and they are in the endangered list. In previous chapters also we learned about the endangered animals, as same as some birds are also there who are in extinct position. Okay, and given below are the pictures of some endangered birds. You have to write their names by taking help from the given clues. In number one answer is puffin. Okay, puffins are any of three species of small alcids in the bird genus Fratricula with a brightly covered beak during the breeding season. These are pelagic seabirds, that feed primarily by diving in the water, and they breed in large colonies on coastal cliffs of or offshore islands, nesting in crevices among rocks or in burrows in the soil. And two species, the tufted puffin and horned puffin, are found in the North Pacific Ocean, while the Atlantic puffin is found in the North Atlantic Ocean. Next, tinamous. Tinamous form an order of birds, Ctenoformes, comprising a single family, Ctenomyidae, with two distinct subfamilies containing 46 species found in Mexico, Central America, and South America. And the word tinamo comes from the Galilee term for these birds, tinamou. Okay, and tinamous have traditionally been regarded as the sister group of the flightless ratites, but recent work places them well within the ratyradiation, okay, implying basal ratites could fly. Tinamous first appear in the fossil record in the Miocene epoch. They are generally sedentary, ground-dwelling, and though not flightless, when possible, avoid flight in favor of hiding or running away from danger. They are found in a variety of habitats, ranging from semi-arid alpine grasslands to tropical rainforests. The two subfamilies are broadly divided by habitat, with the Northurinae referred to as steppe or open country tinamous and the Ctenaminae known as forest tinamous. Next, number 3, toucan. Toucans are arboreal and typically lay 2 to 21 white eggs in their nest, and they make their nest in tree hollows and holes excavated by other animals such as woodpeckers. The toucan bill has very limited use as an excavation tool. When the eggs hatch, the young emerge completely naked without any down, and toucans are resident breeders and do not migrate. Toucans are usually found in pairs or small flocks. Toucans usually मिलते हैं in pairs, जोड़े में या फिर एक small flocks में, and they sometimes fence with their bills and bristle, which scientists hypothesize they do to establish dominance. Hierarchies in Africa and Asia, hornbills occupy the toucan's ecological niche, an example of convergent evolution. Number 4, roadrunner. The roadrunners, also known as chaparral birds or chaparral cocks, are two species of fast-running ground cuckoos with long tails and crests, and they are found in the southwestern and south-central United States and Mexico, usually in the desert, and some have been clocked at 32 km per hour, while a few have also been clocked up to 43 km per hour. Next, number 5, Eurasian eagle owl. The Eurasian eagle owl, Bubo, is a species of eagle owl that reside in much of Eurasia. Okay, and it is also called the European eagle owl, and in Europe it is occasionally abbreviated to just the eagle owl, and it is one of the largest species of owl, and females can grow to a total length of 75 centimeter with a wingspan of 188 centimeter, 6 feet and 2 inches. Males being slightly smaller than them, and this bird has distinctive ear tufts with upper parts that are mottled with darker blackish coloring and tawny. The wings and tail are paired, and the underparts are variably hued buff and streaked with darker color. The facial disc is not very visible, and the orange eyes are distinctive. Next and last number, bald ibis. The northern bald ibis, hermit ibis or whelwrap, is a migratory bird found in barren, semi-desert or rocky habitats, often close to running water. And this 70 to 80 centimeter, or you can say 28 to 31 inches, glossy black ibis, which unlike many members of the ibis family is non-bedding, has an unfeathered red face and head and a long and unfeathered curved red bill. It breeds colonically and on coastal or mountain cliff ledges, where it typically lays 2 to 3 eggs in a stick nest and feeds on lizards, insects and other small animals. Students, one more thing, no more given in your book. Just bald ibis is found in semi-desert areas, already I told you, and the head of this hen-sized blackbird does not have any hair. Okay, thank you students, it's all for today.